How to connect Xbox controller to Bloodstrike. Hey everyone! In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Xbox controller with a USB cable to play Bloodstrike on your PC. It's super simple and takes just a few seconds. Let's get started. Step by step, wire the connection. First, grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into your Xbox controller. 2. Plug the other end into a USB port on your PC. 3. The Xbox logo on the controller will light up, meaning it's connected and ready to use. 4. Windows will automatically install any drivers if it is the first time you're plugging in. 5. Now, let's launch Bloodstrike. If you don't have installed it yet, you can download it for free from the official Bloodstrike website at bloodstrike.com or search for it on Steam if it is available on your region. 6. Once the game is open, it should automatically detect your controller. You'll be able to use it to navigate the menus and play. 7. If the controller isn't working right away, go to Settings, Controller inside the game and make sure the gamepad option is turned on. Quick tip: if you're still having issues, try unplugging and reconnecting the controller, or restarting the game after plugging in. Make sure your controller is updated. You can download the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store to check for firmware updates. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to connect your Xbox controller with a USB cable to play Bloodstrike on a PC. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick gaming guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.